Welcome back, my dear gentle viewers. This is part 2 of, what's this called? Undertale Yellow. Yep. Let's get going. Let's rock and roll. We left off, after the ruins. We're now in, Snowdon. There's be something interesting on the rock. Touch it? Yes. Just injecting the snow. You wipe off your hand down on a suspicious carving on the rock face. Let me see. Oh. I cannot get over the music in this game. It is so good. They coming from the pile of stones. We're not lost. I know exactly where we are. Hello, friend. My husband and I have been exploring the underground. Many secrets lie throughout these lands. Makes for a great and exotic honeymoon. Unfortunately, we're a bit lost at the moment. He says he knows where we are, but I think he's just embarrassed. Any idea where we could get a map? Sorry, madam. I only just got here myself. A whole igloo? Man, it's big. It's just an igloo. Yep, nothing to see here. I mean, who would I be to go against what the igloo says? I mean, I think it'd just be silly. Compliment. You comment on the igloo's fine craftsmanship. It's an igloo. Thanks, I mean, igloo. Igloo towers over you menacingly. Rostermit. Attack 2, defense 6, a suspicious igloo. Igloo noises! This may just be an igloo. I don't know what it's talking about, a frost hermit. Do a little dance. Someone is coming out to investigate. Hi, can I join? Sure, homeboy. It's considering a renovation. In a crab walk dance, Frost Hermit jumps in. Next time I'll lead. Such a little cute design. Ow. Ready to scuttle on its way. Alright, go and get somewhere. 3 and 5 gold. A box. Ooh. Let's put that up. This is a box. It is a stupid box. You can put items in it and they'll stay there. Until you take out, that is. And then it's not there. And then there are more of these boxes later. You can use them to retrieve the stuff you put in this box. It's super dumb. Sincerely, a box hater. Oh. Could have fooled me. That's a box lover if I've ever heard one. There's a fishing hole cut in the ice. I see. Let's be gone. Complete the lava rock puzzle. Check. She'll together for a few uses at least. That's good enough for me. Next up, Honeydew Resort. Alrighty then. Oh, probably should have done anything before I started. To it may concern, in accordance with Royal Guard Guidebook Section 4, paragraph 2. This puzzle is intended to impede the progress of an intruder, probably you, entertain the residents of the surrounding area, Snowdon, and appear intimidating to would-be intruders or wrongdoers. I'm unclear on what they mean by that, just go with it. To pass by this challenge, you must melt the ice cube. Make sure the ball thing gets to the bottom without breaking, though. Signed, Marlet of the Underground Royal Guard. P.S. If one of the logs gets stuck, just jiggle it a little. Noticed it was sticking the other day, but you know how it is with the DIY projects. Always something has to go wrong. So yeah, just to look what jiggle will do. P.S. Just realize that you might not be able to reach the log to jiggle it. I mean, not everyone can fly, or it's freakishly tall, especially if you're a human or something. So just hope it doesn't get stuck. P.S. Figured it out. If it gets stuck, just wait. I come around to inspect the puzzle quality every third day. Just hang out right where you are for a day or two. Oh, and hope it doesn't get stuck. P.P.S. I have been informed that the amount of P.S.'s on this sign is unseemly. I am very sorry for any trouble they have caused. Yeah, but see the log is... Oh! Oh! I can move it! See, they didn't tell me that. Oh, I have to keep doing it. Let's see. I'm just too nasturless with it, though. They can't stop me. Hey, you. Can I help out the office call? I've been here for 2 hours now. Still talking and bugging it. They have weather on now duck. My mom told me that and I'm up there. What's up? I don't know what you want me to do. I got no water or anything. Can I go back here and grab some water? I'll come back, little boy. I'll have something, hopefully. Someone presumably taking off the dilapidated shack. You notice a blue feather hidden behind it. Dear owners of the dilapidated cabin, first, I am very sorry that your cabin is so dilapidated. Like, I don't know what happened to it, but I'm sure it was unfortunate. Second, I'm sorry that some of your wood has gone missing. According to the Royal Guard, Guidebook Section 42, Paragraph 1, so long as notice is given to the original owner at least 2 business days prior, any and all eyesores can be repurposed for puzzles or other diversions. Well, I didn't know how to contact you, but consider this notice. Unfortunately, not of the prime variety, but you know, notice. Howdy. How you holding up? Things aren't getting any easier, huh? It'd be nice to walk through here without a hassle. Guess that's not how the world works. I had some monsters for you. Never mind their own business. In any case, you're doing great. Keep it up, buddy. And Somatot staggers forward. You attempt to sing a quiet lullaby, and Somatot looks bored. Nothing more upbeat. Here's Crisp. Lecture. Forms the benefits of a good night's sleep. It ignores you. Yeah, don't talk to strangers. Swinging Soma's chest in front of its face. Yawn. Sure, look at 19. Let's just hit it again. In front of its face. I'm getting sleepy. Whoa. What sure to maintain consciousness. More time. Puts test on top of its face. Yawn. Whoa. Put yourself to sleep. Yep, good singer. Lord have mercy. Flowey, I need saving. Still doing great, pal. I guess you need extra confirmation. Don't worry. I meant it the first time just as much as the second. The snow castle, how cute. Ah, there it is. What's this? A new customer? Bam! Who am I? Nobody you know. Just the best darn salesman ever. Wham! I'm Mo. Anyways, the fact that you tried to get your mitts on this mug could only mean one thing. You're looking for a delicious little something to hit the spot, right? Of course! I know your type. So, you want this here beverage? Yeah. No, you don't! Liquids? So last season. Solids? Pa! Season before. You want to be fresh and revolutionary? I got the latest thing. Solids that used to be liquids. And, you know, haven't been sitting out in the forest for 3 weeks. I haven't been to the next big thing here. For the incredibly low price of 15G, you have your very own hot chocolate pop. It's once a boring old hot chocolate, but now it's frozen to the perfect temperature. Have I piqued your interest yet? No thanks. You sure you don't want one? You have to keep up with the times, pal. Here, I have an idea. I'll let you look at them for free. Got a holiday special. I don't get a lot of shipments, so I only have one of each. Let's get down to business. Here's what I got. Hot pop, cold pop, lukewarm pop. Just give me a hot pop. Great choice. You enjoy that pop, buddy. I've much preferred, but I guess we can try to use the hot pop. Maybe some coffee with my poor tongue. Yeah, something like that. Hot pop won't work. He is a punk. Stand this way. Okay.
Read something in a book once, said, if life comes at you too fast, press X and take it slow. Whatever that means.
Ooh, is there like a secret pathway or something? No, okay. Take the ice pellets? Yep, take ice pellets. Ice ammo weapon at 6. Attack 6, very conveniently shaped in the ice cubes. They don't seem to be melting either. I'm thoughtful of them. Well. Loaded the ice pellet ammo. Your gun is now cold to the touch.
You don't lean on me so much for emotional support. You can you can believe in yourself a little too, pal.
Flowey, keep on. You're acting silly. You're acting fartulous even. No Cone comes to see if you are made of fire. You aren't. Encourage No Cone to follow his dreams.
No Cone won't see fire. No Cone pursue fire dream.
What is yelling random noises that sound like they could be made up language? Patiently explain the dangers of an open flame. No Cone seems receptive.
Fire hot melts No Cone.
No Cone not know this. You good friend to No Cone. Yeah, have a good day, No Cone. Lord. To Snow Castle. Oh, cute. You open the doors. You open the drawbridge. Your head hurts too much to keep going. Fire hot. Fire bad. Damn troglodyte. Let's proceed forward. And what is this? Just shrubbery. UGPS.
Oh boy, ouchie, a customer. I'm nervous. I'm a mail whale from the Underground Postal Service. Haven't heard of us? We're the best. For sure. For short. Just call us UGPS. So, are you new to the Underground? How you ask? Well, word sure gets around. The Underground is great and it keeps getting better. Cause I brought for you your very first letter.
You received mail.
It was a special letter from us to you. Do you feel welcome now? I hope you do. Isn't the mail system a wonderful innovation? If you ever want to use it, just come to a station. They look just like this, and they're scattered all about. If you want to receive some mail, find one and give a shout. We assure you, they're conveniently situated. Here at UGPS, we're anything but dated. Talking and sharing, all using mail. From your underground friends, but that's all for this whale. Now, I must be off. The mail mustn't be late. See you later on in your journey, mate. Oh, see you later on in your journey, mate.
Howdy. Must say, didn't remember this place being so, colorful. Really can't go 2 seconds without getting harassed around here. Hasn't anyone heard of personal space? Unless someone can mail you to Asgore, I don't see why we need them. Anyway, let's get a move on. Time's a wasting. Ooh. No? Okay.
Hoof, 238, hoof, 239. At this pace, our wolf is ready for a new job in no time.
No matter how much they throw this ice into the river, the pollen never lessens. Ooh. Yes, crab, yes, or hermit, whatever you are. I understand. Dancy, Sperry. Oh, Lord. We gotta get out of here now! Run! Oh shit, I can run! I know of this! Why was I never told this? What you waiting around for?
You have a job to do.
I could run through this of a snowman. Once full of life, now full of potential for new life. Mail. Spam letter 6. Read. There's a royal treasury notifying you that you definitely owe us 700G. Monsters must pay tax to King Asgore as of right now. I hear you getting all flustered, but I assure you that I am correct. Now insert the G into this envelope and return this letter or else you'll get a life sentence without a trial. Yep. Uh-huh. Oh. Come, new friend, right here to our space. Whether you roam or stay in one place, we hope you have friends with fun letters to send, and always a smile on your face. Here's to more mail without any stress. Hope to see you again, the UGPS. Oh, how nice. I was informed that I could run earlier.
Hey, dude, watch it. Would you look at that? I think this chum wants to pass. Swig, toast, come over here. Yeah, boss. What's up? You need a shave again. We got ourselves some fresh meat. You ain't going nowhere, small fry. Yeah, nowhere. Will you two put a lid on it? Anyway, it ain't a refill.
Or refill. One of the two.
The boss of the world-renowned gang, the Shufflers. We rule this town. If you want to pass, you're gonna have to go through us. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No need to start a fight. Let's be civil here. You want to attack everyone you encounter. Calm down, will ya? Jeez. We Shufflers prefer to settle things in a more dignified manner. You catch my drift? We would like to propose a challenge. A game of sorts. Take this ball here and hide under one of us. Next, we'll shuffle around. When we finish, you'll have to guess who has the ball. We'll do this 3 times in a row. You win, you can pass. You lose, we'll sit there blocking you for all eternity. You picking up what I'm putting down? Yeah. That makes things easy then. Here we go. Nice eye, kid. Keep it up.
Oh. I think. Yep. Oh, I'm nasty.
You're doing good, kid. Now don't let it go to your head.
Yeah, and I've already lost it. Oh, but I'm crazy.
Boss, this little punk beat us. I must be better you, lucky guess. There's no way a glass of spoiled milk like you could beat us. Now, Toast, let's simmer down. There ain't nothing to get heated over. The kid beat us fair and square. The Shufflers ain't nothing if not true to their word. Ain't that right? Yeah, boss, a Shuffler always keeps their word. Yeah, always. Now, kid, we'll let you pass on through. You've earned yourself a powerful friend in the Shufflers today. All you gotta do is remember that name, and we'll be on your side if you ever need us. The Shufflers always protect a friend, right, boys? Yeah, you got a problem? We can handle it. Yeah, handle.
Honeydew Resort.
Now this is what I'm talking about. A perfect place to relax and distress. Well, not perfect. A bit crowded for my taste. At least that keeps things interesting.
Cozy looking campfire. The sweet scent of honeysuckles wafting through from the flames. Have you seen those loiterers outside? They keep telling me they're a well-renowned gang. I've never heard of them before. Maybe I really am getting to be out of the loop.
Nothing like avoiding life's responsibilities by lounging all day. Been here for 2 weeks at the same spot every day. It's so easy to lose yourself out here. I don't even know if I have a job to go back to. It's pretty great.
Okay. See, that's not good, home dog.
I could have hacked it with thought. Please look around. Get the line.
Pin. That'll go great on your hat. Oh. Get that and that. Why, thank you.
You want to talk? Well, this resort has been a family business for years. We use local honey and all of our goodies while providing a warm place to visit. It was started by my great-great-uncle back in
I wasn't my great-great-grandfather. Can't answer this customer's simple question. Not cut out for this job. So, more about this place. Our menus are neat. The honey cooler, our coveted latte machine, and the space heater. That's a special one. It was donated to us by a real nice engineer by the name of Chujin. His apprentice helped as well. He worked in the steamworks ages ago, but when it was, operational, of course, everyone around here knew him for his generosity and soft smile. Always wanted to make people feel welcome. The heat from that machine often reminds me of those days. I hope it does you too if you were there, which you weren't. I'll shut up now. Oh. It's better than ever. This is the place to be in Snowdon. Some come for the band, some for the hot spring. But the monsters love our coffee the most. I don't blame them one bit. It's a sweet blend of coffee beans, hazelnut creamer, and honey straight from the forest. I've already had 13 cups this morning. The band, let's see. We have a few acts that come here to play. The band is a very popular one from the Hotland. Oh, you should totally hear their new single. I especially love the chorus. It's so good and oh no, I've just been talking about what I like. You must be so bored. This is why I don't like conversation. Dove. It rings a bell. Oh, I remember. Strange little guy. He would often visit here, sit down, and watch the band. It looked like he was in a trance every time he watched them. I always wanted to talk to him, but the thought of socializing that much always scared me. Before I could muster the courage, he suddenly stopped visiting. I wonder where he went. If you see him, be sure to tell him he's always welcome here. So yeah, thanks for being so something. I don't know.
Hey kids, get up! Forget you from the dunes, eh? I'm probably the only one over here about this porch. Some monster avoid it due to the dryness and high temperature. What's a kid like you doing hanging with those wild guys anyways? Don't look so confused, I'm just messing with you.
How's it hanging? My name's Rodney. I'm the leader of the little band here. We travel all around the underground by farm for the monsters. This is ours the regular gig. Can you hear a tune? Sure. Sounds good, friend. Here's one for the monsters that like a little time to themselves.
Oh, I can move. Okay.
What's up? Glad you could stop by for a listen. Mind if I ask you a question? Which are better, minor scales or major scales? Major, I guess. Sad. Thought I might find another minor scale fan. When I've talked to likes major scales, can't be all happy all the time. Sometimes you switch it up.
You enjoying the tune as much as I am? Actually, don't answer that. You're not. Used to be one of those super fans you hear about. Followed the band around from place to place. Learned all that aliases they used in hotels. Watched them buy their favorite brands of cereal. I'm reformed now, though. I'm content to sit and listen.
Good. I claim to be a musician, but I know nothing about reading sheet music, scales, intervals, or any of that. That's why I just hit things with sticks rhythmically for a living.
Auxiliary. You know why they told me to go on this vacation? Well, because I come off as stressed, but you know why that is? I have a theory, see? Because there are just so many things in life to worry about. Work and laundry, and imminent starvation and so on. They're important back home, but they're still important. Monsters pretend they're not, though. And you know what that is? Despicable, irresponsible, shameful behavior. You know how much part I'll have in it? None, zip, zero, zilch. And that's how much you should have too. Alright, if you insist. No. A back door. Looks like this bear fell asleep on its way to the resort. As jars of honey tied to its back, they're getting cold. Let me go back in here now. Anybody tell you to leave? Cooler full of honey, ready for drinking. Yum? Yeah. I reckon yum. I keep forgetting I can just run. Excuse me. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. I'm coming, little boy. Worry not. No! We gotta go! Malcolm has been enlightened. Take out the cup of coffee. Hey, quite think that thing is semen. Needs something hot, but not that hot. Really? Ooh. He's asking for it. They're using my money on stuff. And he is going to be so disrespectful to not even accept my gift. Ooh, it's despicable. Despicable like me? What? Nah, I'm sorry. I'll stop that. Stop all of that. I don't know what... I guess he's not getting off. I don't know what give him that would go him down. Resort family owner upgraded. All travelers are welcome. It's colder today than usual, huh? If I was extremely lazy, I'd go down to the resort and get some hot coffee. Let me go the other way. This way to the hot spring. Oh, it's the hot spring. My left hand was as cozy as my right. Normally I have two mittens, so my one is symmetrical, but I think my left mitten took a vacation or something. Just left me. Okay. There's a torch on one side, but not the other. The feng shui of this place is terrible. Hello? Are you enjoying the warmth atmosphere that only be brought by a torch? Is it pleasant? Is it sentimental? Is it attractive? Man, I love being a torch. Okay. It's great. Is a great full body workout. Are you seeing these limbs? I've never been so toned. On top of that, I've dropped a whole goggle size. This is the hottest spot in Snowdom. Quite literally. I've wanted to come here for forever, and this is finally my chance. It was worth the wait. It's complete something. Lord, I need to be paying more attention when I read. The order is blocked by the stairs. What do you mean it's blocked by the stairs? Let me in. Come on. Okay then. What's this place? Oh, it's for nothing but dialogue. Are we sure then? Are we sure before I get on somewhere? Guess we were. rip my headphones straight out. I reckon that's what happens when we fall down. I'd have to assume. Real guards thinking they're all special. They don't have screening processes like they used to. How do they interview these bozos? Do you want to be a member of the Royal Guard? Yes? Here's a uniform. You start Monday. Just look at this puzzle. It was a perfectly nice bridge once. I remember when it looked like a bridge. It looked like as a bridge. I would have called it a pretty handsome bridge. Now, you can say homemade is charming or whatever, but you can't call it handsome. No way, no way. No! Oh. This might be a rough one. All right. There we go. 2 steps to the east, seconds on. Okay. Tri-hecta wobbles forward. Cool. You pull tri-hecta towards you. Look, Mon, no hands! Oh. This way back and forth. So it topples over. Grease trauma, melodies. It's like a DVD sign. Spare. It's 10 to the east. Third sign. 2 to the west. First sign. I see. See, now it's all clear. 10 steps to the west. Second sign. I should have known. Oh, the sprite work is really good. Take a look inside the barrel and find some coffee beans. Take it. You got the coffee bean ammo. Let me take 4. There's no way you could eat them, but they still want to be of use. But I have ice pellets, so I don't want those. Ah, another one of these. Some leftovers from this puzzle's construction. Okay then. Some leftovers from this. Okay. Okay then. Oh. I have to move it up. Okay. Now, see, I don't understand. Nah. Because they can't get me now. Yeah! Don't go over. Thank God. Outsy bouncies. Let's go. Oh, thank God. Ammo. Rubber ammo. Other. There's a fresh pancake under the bench. Take it? Yeah, sure. A wooden bench. Wooden bench. Oh, okay then. Just lucked out being that one the first I searched. Oh, save. Howdy. We're almost out here. I'm surprised that the guard never saw you nearby, you know. Your puzzles sure weren't impressive, that's for certain. Knowing that, wouldn't worry if you run into them. Alrighty then. Whatever happens, I wish you luck. Hello? Sorry, I don't know where my head was right there. Seems I have a summer home in La La Land these days. I feel a bit lost. Are you looking for directions? Let you in on a little secret. I'm not actually an information kiosk. I know this place like the back of my wing, though. I don't get lost much at all anymore. I can get you wherever you want to go. Wait. I'm gonna take a shot in the dark here, but... you're a human, right? I knew it! I knew I'd find a human. You must be a human, right? You look just like this guy on the poster I saw once. And he had a hat just like you. He was totally human, so like... transitive property or something like that. Actually, I think he was from space. Are there space humans? You know what? I'll have plenty of time to ask you questions later. Are you ready for some Royal Guard protocol? Hope you are, because I memorized it. Martel of the Royal Guard has encountered a human. Prepare to apprehend. Protocol 1. Be courteous and allow your opponent the first attack. The Royal Guard is waiting for your turn. You tap your wrist impatiently. Martel looks apologetic and tries to get a little faster. I don't think I'm supposed to be helping you, but it was supposed to be your turn. It's okay. I space out and miss stuff like that all the time. You should go again. I was trying to strike a pose that looks professional. Professional and imposing. One will attack 8, defense 10, a little scatterbrained. Hold on, I have that guidebook on me. I'll check what to do when someone doesn't actually attack. You can just, take another turn. Go for it. Hit me as hard as you can. Obviously consulting our Royal Guard guidebook. You ignore Mullet's rambling. It doesn't look like she's noticed. Okay, I'm really sorry for the wait. I'm looking. I'm the best Royal Guard, you know, but I'm really trying to be better. Last week I apprehended this girl. Total human. Oh, and I think it's your turn. I was trying to strike a pose that looks professional on him. Yep. Tap your wrist. Or to proceed to the next step without hesitation. Oh, does that count as hesitation? What? Protocol 2, my attack. She's trying to slime me. He smells like birdseed with a tasteful hint of vanilla and orange blossom. That was only a warm-up. Prepare for the Royal Guard Gauntlet. Like birds of them. Hiya! I'm gonna start to pose it. Take this, intruder! Oh! Just flipping through her guidebook again. Phew! This is a real workout. Get up, Mark. I probably moved, shouldn't I? Let's flip through our guidebook again. Whoa! Ow! I was pressing the wrong buttons entirely to move. And we are back. Lord. Died like 3 times to get back here. I'm gonna try believing you. Forcibly tell Margaret you don't like her clothes. That's more like it. Kind of world guard wears rags like these, right? It's not like I stayed up all night sewing them or anything. Alright, it's my turn. Insult Martlet's job performance. I have to say, you're not wrong about that one. I've kind of been on probation for a while. One more misstep and I can say goodbye to the Royal Guarddom. And all the nice perks that come with it. My cousin's uniforms, my Royal Guard discount at the movies, my nice insurance rates. When I find out how much I hesitated here, I'm doomed. I mean, it specifically said, don't hesitate. I got it. The Royal Guard doesn't know you're here. They won't know I broke protocol. Instead, we'll just get you home before any of them see you. You'll be home in time for dinner. I mean, maybe not today's dinner, but for sure a dinner. Anyway, we'll bypass the Royal Guard and plead your case to Asgore. There's no way you can say no to a cute little face like yours. Meet me up ahead and I'll show you my plan to get you home. Oh Lord. Don't know why I had such a struggle. Howdy. Great job once again. I hate that so many monsters are ruthlessly attacking you, but you're handling it with grace. I'm not sure I trust this one. Lucky for us, she doesn't seem too put together. We can ditch her as soon as she messes something up. I'm sure it won't take long. Notebook on the counter titled My Puzzle Blueprints. This must be where Martlet sketches her puzzle ideas. She looks like she needs to sketch some puzzle ideas. I don't know. Something. Hey though, so here's the plan. I'm sorry, I think that I went a little overboard, but I can't help it. This is all too exciting. So I've been saving this for a rainy day. You know, figuratively. We don't really have those. Either way, behold, the UG Aviator. The water's just an old-looking raft with just enough room for 2 passengers. Isn't she a beauty? Boats are she's, you know. I call her Ava for short. Isn't that cute? I guess. But you know,
Who would I be to say?
Okay. My map and memory serve. This river should lead directly to the Hotland. From there, it's a hop, skip, and a leap to Asgard's castle. Not sure how we're getting in, but we cross that bridge when we come to it, right? Also wanted to apologize about, well, you know, attacking you. I mean, no harm, honest. I just have to do my job is all. And, well, oftentimes I don't know what the right action is until it's too late. So, I know we just met and all. Will you trust me on this? Yes. Yeah, you don't worry. Your trust is in good hands. Or wings, as the case may be. I'll guard it with my soul. And this means we get to have an adventure. This is so exciting. I mean, nothing this exciting ever happens around here. At least, while I've been here, it hasn't. Think of all the fun we'll have. I mean, there's a chance I might be fired for this and lose all of my life's work and belongings, but hey, what's life without a little risk? So, shall we be off then? Yes. Wait, hold on! I was supposed to be on Ava with you. I didn't know my mouse was there the whole time. So hi.
Hey.
So I was thinking, if Ava doesn't have sails, does this still count as sailing? I guess. Pretty smooth ride, yeah. My woodworking skills aren't too shabby. I suppose I should thank my mentor, older fellow by the name of Chujin. Taught me everything. Heh. Well, never mind.
Heh. Fuga.
Hey, so would you mind answering my question for me? It's nothing big, it's just a little quality assurance questions. Will you try it?
Sure.
Great. Question 1. On a scale from 1 to 3, how would you rate your encounter with the Royal Guard? Please answer honestly.
3.
Wait, really? I got a 3. I've never gotten a 3 before. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I got a 3. I have to tell absolutely everyone. Okay, sorry, got carried away there. Let's keep going. Question 2. On a scale from 1 to 2, how would you rate the puzzles deployed in Snowdon?
2.
Really? Thanks, I made them myself. There's a reason I was assigned to work under the Royal Scientist. I mean, it's because I got last choice of station, but still. Pick up a few things, guarding all that science stuff. Anyway, back on topic. Question 3. On a scale of 1 to 4, how would you rate the auditory ambient... What does that mean? Okay, that's a new question. Why do they keep updating this? Let's just forget the questionnaire. I'll just put you down as dead center for the rest. That sound good? Yeah, that works. Just a 2 there, and a 3, and a 2.15 here, and 23, and we're done. Oh, one more thing. I'm gonna need your name for legal purposes. You know, how it gets. It's Clover. Unique name, I love it. So, Clover, let's talk about Ava. Isn't she great? I told you, sails like a dream from a perfect lullaby. Nice pace, pretty view, and not a single leak. Oh well, there's a little one, but not too many leaks. We can just sit back and relax and, hey, do you hear an abnormal amount of running water? Well, we are in waterfall. Is it just me or is this river getting faster? Well, anything it helps us. Might we be coming across a waterfall? Uh-oh! I might not have been on this route before. Hold on to something. Oh, where are we at? Hey, look, it's Hotland. This is our stop. Wait, we have to dock here. Slow down. So we're going straight past it. Oh, no.
Ah!
Ouch. Hello? Clover? Are you okay? Oh, no. Stay right here. I'll go get help. I'm good. Always fine. Container bearing a strange symbol. The lid is bottled shut. It's impossible to open. The waterlogged remains of an old chest. You spy a small dry paper bag cradled in the interior of the lid. Will you take it? Yes, you got some trail mix. Yum! Nom. Howdy, Clover. What a day this has been. Thanks to that guard, we're totally off course. Looks like she ditched you as well. I guess it can't be helped now. There's got to be another route to Asgore's castle here. Tough it out for now, and we'll see where this new path takes us. Little excitement never hurt anyone. Well, except you. Let me heal you up. You have no idea how this is going to be. Alright. Well, that is where we shall end this episode. If you like this, check out I'd say check out the first part, but I'd hope you watch the first part before you watch this.